Yo guys, Wingstop. It's my first time doing a review, but I got fries. I got honey hot. I got that. Wings, boneless, you know that. Ranch. And I got some ketchup. I don't think I'm going to be using this ketchup. So, let me show you guys what this consists of. I got 4 barbecue and 4 mild. And I got me an orange Fanta. So let's try out the fries and that's it, really. Because I never had the hot honey rub before. Yo guys, so I got wings from Wingstop. Like I said, I have barbecue, mild. I have an 8-piece meal. So if you guys want to know what's better, barbecue or mild, they both taste about the same, but barbecue has less grease to it. Wingstop is so good. Food's so good. Follow my social media platforms at LilyMillion4 and my Snapchat at LilyMillion02. Again, I'll give this an overall 10 out of 10.